Welcome back to Learning with the Difference. News headlines in English for 6th of September. First of all, national news. New look Central Vista Avenue set to open this week and is expected to be inaugurated by PM Modi on Thursday. Heavy rain in Bengaluru on Monday disrupted drinking water supply, 2-kilometer traffic jams. Sri Lanka appointed committee for repatriation of refugees from India. India to design, build reusable rocket for global market, ISRO. Centre summoned Wikipedia executives after cricketer Arshdeep Singh's page vandalized. Arvind Kejriwal unveiled Delhi model school plan in Tamil Nadu. As exports to us triple in a year, India in race to be next China. India's goods exports touched $420 billion in the financial year ended March. Karnataka Chief Minister to discuss 225 crore loss to its companies due to rain. Centre to bring Model Prisons Act, Amit Shah said. PM greeted teachers, paid homage to ex-presidents Radha Krishnan on Teachers' Day. Former Kerala Health Minister K.K. Shelja rejected Magsaysay Award. And now some international news. Afghanistan earthquake, 5.3 magnitude earthquake hit Afghanistan. China accused US of tens of thousands of cyber attacks. The floods in Pakistan have affected 33 million people. 6.6 magnitude earthquake hit southwest China on Monday. One of the world's most twisted towers, 180-meter tall, Dance of Light, unveiled in China. And now some sports news. MasterCard on Monday announced its collaboration with the BCCI to broaden its strategic outreach to Indian audiences. Jemimah Rodriguez nominated for ICC Player of the Month award. Reece James signed new long-term deal at Chelsea. Paul Pogba back in training for Juventus after recovering from knee injury. And now news related to business. Nifty Sensex gain defying European energy crisis led global stocks sell-off. August trade deficit eased from record levels. Malaysia end August palm oil stocks hit 2 million tons, first in 2 years. Taiwan to resume visa-free entry for some countries from next week. Rupee weakened slightly on 2-decade high dollar, but RBI limits fall. CSB Bank to seek shareholders not to extend interim head Pralay Mondal's term. Have a look on weather of New Delhi. On 6th of September, the temperature of New Delhi at the daytime will reach to 38 degrees Celsius and it will drop to 27 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.